Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I am excited to be able to unbox the Sony ZV-1 II digital camera creator bundle. So let's get into it. All right, so I have been listening to some of my fellow creators like Marques Brownlee, I believe that would be MKBL, yeah, and Mr. Who's the Boss and so forth. Some of the big tech creators in the game, and I said basically I'll just say that if you want to get better at YouTube, make better videos. So I bit the bullet and I went and I bought the Sony ZV-1 camera, which is highly recommended by a lot of professional YouTubers and so forth, like ThinkMedia, for instance, I believe had turned me on to this particular camera. So it is what it is. And I just thought I leave the outer box intact just because it goes with the general theme of, and I don't know why this keeps happening, but my boxes are coming in smashed one after the other, and this one's no exception. There's a digital camera and it says, fragile, blah, 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 handle with care all over the place. I just thought that this was kind of comical. So hopefully this ripping or this broken box doesn't translate to what's inside. So just a little bit of tape there, and I'm going to put my coffee aside. And this is all to say that I'm really not sure what is involved with this bundle, but I do have my little cheat sheet from Amazon over here, and I'm hoping maybe that some of you out there in YouTube land can help me out identifying the parts and so forth that go with the camera. But yeah, for sake of showing what is in here, showing the camera itself and so forth, I hope that this is somewhat helpful for some of you. So we already have one of my favorite things in the world inside here, bubble wrap, yay! And it looks like a good amount of bubble wrap, so I'm just going to kind of pull that off and set it aside to reveal what is inside this package. And we have a lot of stuff. Wow. Okay, so the Amazon description said that there are 7 things in here in addition to the camera. Presumably this is the camera right here. So very cool. A little bit smaller than I was expecting, which is actually good because I was concerned that it'd be too heavy for my tripod and some of the other rigs that I have here. So I'm just going to set that aside for now. And so this guy here obviously is a battery charger. So maybe this is going to be a little bit easier than I thought, but I just wanted to show you what is in sort of this creator bundle for the Sony ZV-1 camera, which is basically, it is a staple camera for YouTube. It's not cheap, and this is definitely an expense for me, but I figure, hey, if you're going to improve, why not listen to the experts? And I do want to get my video quality up and get it to be a little bit better for you guys. So yeah, that said, another shameless plug, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have lots more videos about tech, not necessarily YouTube equipment, but all manner of tech. So precision design, 5-piece digital care kit. So this looks like a cleaning, yeah, it is. So it's cleaning cloth and solution, a blower brush, interesting, some cotton swabs and so forth to keep things nice and clean. So I love that. I've been filming for the most part with my iPhone, so essentially this is what is in the creator bundle. And then here we have our vlogger kit, which it looks like is a, what do you call that thing? A gimbal, I believe. shows you how much I know. I do think it is called a gimbal, actually. And there's a little, a scan code there, which presumably will show you a video in terms of how this works and how to set it up and all that good stuff. But for this video, I'm just going to take everything out of the box, show you guys. Oh, and it looks like it also, it's a vlogger kit. It looks like it also has, I believe that's called a SIM card, the card that goes in there that basically is where you store your videos on. And then it looks like an additional, so this is the battery, presumably for the camera. And I think maybe I'll do a separate video in terms of setting up the camera and so forth. But for now, I just wanted to show you all the parts in this kit, take it out of the box. So you guys, if you're interested in upping YouTube game, you can see, what I'm getting. And, if you're interested in picking this up for yourself. In fact, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's an affiliate link and all proceeds will go to help out the channel. I picked this up on Amazon and the link will be over to the Amazon website. So VidPro compact video, oh, so very cool. So it actually comes with a microphone. And my understanding, watching some videos on this, is that the microphone on some of these cameras is a little bit weak. I did buy a lavalier, like a lapel mic, but I'll bet this is even better. So very cool that it comes with a compact video microphone, basically to up the audio game. So right now I'm recording this on my iPhone, as I said, and the audio is decent, but I feel like I can do better. I hear some of these other, particularly my fellow tech YouTubers, and the audio just always seems to sound a little bit better than mine. So in the next video, hopefully we can get there. So I'm just going to lay all this stuff out here. on the table so you can see that this is actually a legit package. And it says, the Amazon description said 7 items. It looks like I have 6 here, but I believe it is this one that has the 7th, which is the, I'm gonna say SIM card, but I know that's not right. It's called something else. The memory card that basically, you know, stores your video. So I think with the helpful packaging here, I'm probably not going to need my Amazon cheat sheet, but I'll just read a couple highlights off here actually. 7 products, all brand new items, all manufacturer supplied accessories. So this is all legit equipment, including the camera, boom, the microfiber cleaning cloth, raise your hand here. The Sony ZV, okay, so the digital camera itself, of course, and then, so, you know, we have the vlogger kit, and then a charger, and then also the microphone, which is, I just think that is just such a nice add. I don't know if I have everything in the frame here quite right, but hey, when I film my next video, I'll be using this camera, it's gonna be even better, I promise. So, very cool, and I think for now, most of what's here, I think is self-explanatory, particularly if you know what's up with YouTube, but I think for now, I do want to, at minimum, take the camera out and just take a look at it. So yeah, so this is a long time coming. I've been in the YouTube game for a long time, but I haven't really been starting to get serious about it until recently. So yeah, so this is the camera, and I've actually never really owned a decent camera other than the one on my phone. So this is super exciting. I plan to use it. I live on the ocean here in Massachusetts, so I plan to use it to take photos and other video as well. And I'm hoping I can get some sort of a, you know, some sort of an advanced lens so I can take faraway shots as well. And it's just, so very cool. Exactly what I was expecting, just a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but super light. And it has the viewfinder, which is super cool. So you can actually see yourself as you know, vlog or you know, take videos and so forth. And it has, you know, all sort of the connections that you would want to hook it up to a rig, such as a tripod, and or I just bought a swing arm so I can hopefully make these unboxing videos even better. So I actually plan to get that out of the box as well over the next couple of days. And then yeah, and then in terms of the settings and so forth, I couldn't tell you. But again, I'm so excited to start using this, and it looks like it does have, you know, definitely a good basic set of things that you know, I can use to do the adjustments and so forth. I'm basically going to go to, you know, some of my fellow YouTubers and the experts and go with what the settings that they recommend. I believe here is where the latch is for your card. So yep, open, and nope. So that is actually not. So that's for the battery, and then, and just judging from the size of the package, and then here to lock, you just push that way. And yeah, so it's definitely lighter than I was expecting. It feels solid. It does not feel cheap. It might look on camera like it feels a little bit cheapish, but nope, it definitely feels solid. It's got a heft to it. I'd say maybe about a pound. And yeah, and then here, again, I don't even know how to open the, I believe that's called an aperture. But yeah, presumably I'm going to need to charge this up anyway. But so that's what the camera looks like out of the box. And yeah, again, for this video, I just wanted to show you guys what the creator bundle looks like for the, you know, the Sony ZV-1. This is the Sony ZV-1 II model. If you found it helpful, please, if you wouldn't just mind dropping a like, I would appreciate it greatly. And please subscribe to my channel. As I said, I do all sorts of tech videos. I am definitely going to be upping my YouTube game more. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, I will be buying more YouTube equipment for my studio here, which is my apartment basically. But yeah, man, this is just very cool. I'm excited to get all this stuff out of the box, get this set up, and start creating better videos for you guys. So cheers. I hope this helps, and hope to see you in the next video.